Honey Trap. This is a round effect card and it happens during the next opponent move. You place it face down in round effect. After opponent's next move phase, kill any number of moved cards with a total combined value less than or equal to 15. So you're going to place it face down, and when the opponent makes his move, so he's going to take this 11, and he's going to move up the 5, and he's going to give this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 to you, this -4, and you will reveal it and say, well, Honey Trap, you're going to have to kill cards. So what happens in this case is you can kill the 11 only up to 15 points. Now, typically, you would not be able to kill the 5 because that's 16 points. However, he moved the -4, so guess what? You can kill all 3 of those cards because essentially that's going to equal less than 15 points.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wheels team, just subscribe to us below.